How you doing, everybody? Right, I've 10 minutes here to get this thing sorted out. Right, this is the zone lock. Okay, right, that's the keyway on it. She's 60 mil by 80 mil. So, right, she's locked. I'm saving time here because I've got 10 minutes to do this here, and I've right. That's the keyway on. She's a six pin keyway. I'm just saving a bit of time here. Sorry, I'm just rushing this here because I've got 10 minutes. Well, according to this here now, 9 minutes. So, right. As I say, this is my 39th attempt. And I have failed. Well, I've done 38 full attempts. I have bit this thing 5 times, so the ratio was not good. And if I don't get it this time, we're looking at nearly 1 in 8. I hope everybody can see this. This wee squiggly line, boys, is annoying me. On top of this shit. Oh, that's on there. Let's go back a bit here now. I'm back up at pin 5 here now at the moment here, and no, she doesn't want to give me a counter rotation, and she should be. So that means one of the front couple of pins hasn't played ball, and I thought it did, to be fair. My guess is it's probably pin 1 or pin 2. No, it's not at the moment. I don't feel anything. Oh, no way. My goodness, there's just under 6 minutes. Tell you boys, 10 minutes, boys, goes very quickly in this thing here. 10 minutes is nothing. I can understand why Murdoch is being these days to the death. A bit more movement there, nice as it was. As I say, I've already have a feeling this year, and I intend to do this here. See, this is number 39. And I intend to get it. So the next one up is number 40. So don't know why. Don't know why. That's 3.5 minutes. I know you probably can't see this yet on camera. Just take my word for it. Take my word for it. I'm doing my best I can here under very limited circumstances. Because this camera is not high enough to get over. I cannot get this here back to pin 5, pin 4, pin 4. No, I'm not getting back to pin 4. I don't know why. No, I'm not getting back to pin. For some reason it let me in there. Back to pin 4 and pin 5. Actually, I got back to pin 6. Oh, yes! Yes! Get in there! Get in there! Get in there! Get in there! Oh, yes! Holy dear! Oh, yes! Thing opened! Oh, get in there! Get in there! Get in there! Yes! Happy days! Sorry again. Get in there! Yes! 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 Ah, thank you! Thank you! Ah, yes! Brilliant! Ah, nice! Yes! Get in there, boys! Get in there! 39th attempt. I know I've opened this is my 6th time opening it, but 4th time on camera, boys. On the 39th attempt. I don't know my attempt. I've attempted this in camera. Get in there, boys. Get in there. That's that lock out of my road. Right. It's coming up. Sorry, 39 seconds left, 38 seconds left. So, happy days. That's that open, boys. And that's that thing out of my road. That's going on. Things like so it is. Happy days. Thank you. And I will have a great weekend like I'm just having now. I will, for anybody who's, this is going to switch off, hold on. Right. For anybody who's a beginner, please don't give up. It takes 39 attempts to get it on camera. So be it. I know this is my 6th time opening it off, so 33 failed attempts. So please just stick with it. So that's all I can say to you. It could be 40 attempts. I've give up now, so I've, but anyway, so be it. Stick with it, and never give up. And when you get it open, you go mad like I do. Right? See you later. Have a good weekend. Bye bye. Happy days.